Hi there, crafty friends. Come and join me for our Be Blessed tutorial. I'm going to go completely from beginning to end on how we put this really popular wreath together. I'm using a 15-inch work wreath with the work tinsel already attached and 21-inch deco mesh just in white. As you can see, I'm making 12-inch poofs all over the top and bottom row. So there's 18 poofs in total. Then we chose two different 10-inch deco mesh, the black and yellow stripe, and then the solid yellow. But the solid yellow does have a little bit of metallic running through it. These are cut at 24 inches long. This simple method was basically just rolling up towards the middle of each piece. So you'll be able to see that here. So I already did the yellow one and I have that in my hand. I'm just holding it. And then I'm making the striped one. And then I combine both of those, you'll see here, and put into the bottom row. So you just open the extra garland tinsel you have there and just twist it like you would a bread tie. So you just want to make sure it's secure in there. After all those are added to the bottom row, you can see it's nice and big and full. You can kind of move them around just with your hands if you need to. Then I went in with this polka dotted stripe 10-inch deco mesh. This I cut at 28 inches. We're going to be making a large cruffle with these. And that is where you roll it in like 3 times on itself, maybe about a half an inch each. And then I secure it just with a little bullnose clip, stationary clip, just to hold it. Then I turn around, do the same thing on the other side 3 times. And then I'm going to use, I call it the itsy bitsy spider method, and just kind of pull it there with your fingers, pull it down towards your body. And then when you get to the top, you release the clip and then just hold it there in the middle. And that is where you're going to attach this little cute cruffle to the inside rings of your wreath. So this is what gives it that extra poof. So here you go, just open the middle there, and you have plenty of room with the work tinsel there, and add those in. Isn't that adorable? I just love it. This is where I like to put my sign in just to kind of see where I'm going to lay it at. Move stuff around if need be. Remember, deco mesh, you can move it however you want to. It's very pliable. So here I'm using 2 1.5-inch ribbons. I decided not to use that larger one. These are cut at 12 inches. And I am doing 8 sets because these are all going to go on that outside ring, not on the inside. I just put it on the outside. So I'm just dovetailing the ends and then bringing my wreath back, and you use one of each, the polka dot and also the daisy. And you should still have room on that outside ring. And just open it up and place it inside. And here's the finished wreath. I just added a couple sunflowers there on the side. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.